Meaning of hapax legomenon.
Hapax legomenon.
Hapax legomenon.
Hapax legomenon.
Hapax legomenon. Hapax legomenon is a term from linguistics that refers to a word or phrase that appears only once within a particular context or language corpus. It is a unique and rare occurrence that has no meaningful patterns of recurrence. Examples of hapax legomena in the English language include words such as floxenocinahilipilification and antidisestablishmentarianism. In textual analysis, hapax legomena can provide insights into the author's style, vocabulary, and cultural context. However, they are difficult to interpret and can pose challenges for translators and researchers who seek to understand their meaning and significance.